Okay, right now we're going to get ready to split her head in half so I can show you the turning braids. And when you want to get a nice middle part, check where the nose is. And I like to run the comb right from the nose up the forehead and into the hair, so you can create a nice middle part. And then just follow this line all the way back down the head. As we get towards the bottom, it's really not so important. It's really important up top because this is where our braids are going to start. Instead of starting at the hairline, they'll start up here in the middle. So we're just going to take this back. We're going to go a little bit down the head and just grab all these little pieces of hair. Depending on how long you're going to want to keep doing the turning braid throughout the hair, it's completely up to you. Right now we're just going to show you how to turn one around the edge. Okay, the back doesn't matter so much. We're just going to start up here. I'm going to place my big comb right there, hold that hair to the side. And what we're going to do is add just a little bit more Egyptian magic throughout the hair, get it nice and oiled up. And we're going to pick it out just a little bit so we can prepare to part for the actual turning braid. And there we go.